Hey, Gabe.
Hi.
I don't know if you've heard of my new company yet.
What company?
Crazy Aaron's Crystal Clear Thinking Putty.
You crazy Aaron.
No, seriously, people will think this is mine, but it's not.
It's not.
It's completely not. I am crazy, and it does say Crazy Aaron's. And then this has this little picture that looks exactly like my face.
Stuff is really sick, dude.
Isn't that weird?
The whole thing they say is that when you open this, it's like an optical illusion. Like it's so clear, it looks like there's nothing there.
And Daniel, who's behind the camera, show yourself, Daniel. Daniel hates showing himself.
Australia.
He's from Australia. He
Represent. His face is like...
He made this for us. This is liquid glass grip tape.
It looks
Liquid
like
glass. What does that even mean?
See-through liquid glass-looking material.
It means the glass that is liquid is made of grip tape.
Yeah?
Daniel said this is the hardest thing to open ever, and he said try and
really?
open it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here I go trying to open it. Here, you work out. Go ahead.
Got it. Where is the liquid? Oh, it's on the
wow.
sides.
It is
Oh,
fully-
wait, it was right here. It was actually there.
That's why it was so
Wow.
hard to open. It's funny, I was gonna make that so much more dramatic, like screaming and throwing it.
This can be mine, and then you can do that one.
Let's see if I can't open this bad boy. Yeah, I can't. You're right. It's so hard to open. Got it. The container's maybe a little bit messed up, but the liquid putty is beautiful. So what are we gonna do on this?
I think we're gonna play a game of skate, but like I feel bad stepping on this.
Me too. I'm also a little worried that this is gonna ruin my shoes, so I'm gonna break out the 80s DC shoes. Actually, they're more like early 90s DC shoes. Let me kick these tongues up. Booyah. Yeah, I guess, what do? We just Rochambeau and give it our all.
Yeah.
I think the nose and tail has kind of, glass has sort of slid into the middle.
Dang it, Aaron. I knew you were gonna do that.
Ew! Oh! No. This is at least one glass skateboard that won't break.
Oh, I feel so wrong! Oh, it's so bad.
This is a strategy. Wow, I am stuck. Not as messy as gummy bear grip tape. Otherwise, we've got to take this bad boy outside. Stuck. You got to jump on, flip trick, land. End of it.
They're really slippery.
The real question is this stuff flammable?
Oh.
Do we just a whole game of shove-its? Hold my thinking putty. Oh, I know what to do. I know how to win this. After all that thinking putty, I figured out a solution.
I have an idea as well, and I think I know exactly what he's going for. So I gotta land this kickflip.
I will do the kickflip off challenge with him as well. But then after that, boom. How to kickflip, how to kickflip, how to kickflip, how to kickflip. I got it. That's impossible.
All right, I know how I have to do it now, though.
This close. Wow.
Figured it out.
That's probably the closest one. How he figured it out without thinking with the thinking putty is actually incredible. Wow. I'm really starting to sweat. I'm starting to get nervous. What will we do next?
Next try, I'm landing it.
What? I fully landed. I think the wheels are like extra slippery because the thinking putty's gotten into the wheels.
That was really hard.
Yeah, that just happened. Wow, we got a long game ahead of us.
It's like slide of foot. If you get on it and wait for it too long, it's just gonna stick and nothing's gonna happen.
Remember when I warned him that after the kickflip, I would take him out?
A man can try.
Get it in there, baby. Get it in there. First try!
Is that how we're playing now? All right. This is scary because it's so slippery.
When did he all of a sudden get good at everything? Ugh. Ugh. That is so grody. At least we know it's gonna come right off of this board.
My shoes are so slippery.
Are they?
Yeah.
Just from being here?
Yeah.
That's not a good sign. That was a frontside 180.
That was fine, considering the circumstances.
I mean, I can do it again. I ain't scared.
The dust is taking away the stickability.
Wow. By the time we get to the letter A, all of the liquid glass will be on our shoes. 180s are kind of hard because you stick to it.
No! Are you kidding me?
It's almost pulling my shoe off with every step. Oh no. It's almost the worst splits of my life.
It's like the hardest game to skate ever.
It's terrifying. I can't let him get that. Right there, Babe Ruth.
Oh man, this is hard.
Whoa! Slip and slide! I won't do that on a regular board with regular shoes on a regular day. I don't know how he did that. Oh! Wow! That was popped? Proper? Wow. I stepped on the sticky and got stuck. How did he land that? Power slid out of it, down a hill filled with snow. Hashtag defense. Oh yeah. That was terrifying. Here we go, offense. Here we go. Woo, ah! I think I'm out of tricks though. I was trying to set it for a tray flip and I couldn't get my foot onto the tail.
I didn't think I was gonna land that.
Yeah, I thought for sure this is taking him to T, then just one simple tray revert and we're good.
Get out of here!
That was from the Gabe Cruz playbook, the backside
You can't
slider.
pull a backside slider against me. That's my trick. All right, let me show him how backside slider is done. Oh, this is freaking scary.
Wow!
I invented
Jeez.
the backside slider.
Man, hard to figure out what to do on this. Nice and slow, gentle, easy. Oh yeah, boy, I got that.
I think he's forgetting who he's playing skate against.
Just wait until you see how hard it is to varial flip that thing.
Oh! I wanted that so bad. My hip is an excruciating pain.
Well, he landed on it, which is actually incredible. Oh! You know I can't end the game without my signature.
Can I take that?
Yeah. Well executed, like a well-oiled machine.
Oh! It doesn't feel good, does it? That is the scariest thing. Now one more try. Ah! My foot got stuck!
Right here for the history books. Here, hold my thinking putty. Dang it.
All I want to do is wash my hands after this.
We're not sure if that was a varial flip body varial or what it was, but I'm taking it. First try. Just look at the liquid glass caked onto the wheels. That's what makes it so slippery. It's literally like sliding on glass on
Yeah.
ice on glass.
Yes.
Wow. Well, that was really fun. We definitely liquid glassed this grip tape.
We should try to light it on fire.
Yeah, and eat a little bit of it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do that right after this, but thank you. You guys, each and every one of you are incredible. Click right here to go to the playlist with all the other cool things that we did like this, and click right here to go to your resource to learn how to skateboard. That's brailleskateboarding.com. Get skateboarding made simple, get your board, get everything you need to learn how to skateboard, and let's do this. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and leave that comment below. Share this video with your friends. Ugh. Whoa. Whoa. Just like glass. It's like making glass. Ew. See those fumes, Daniel? Something tells me that's not good for you. All right, that's a wrap.